campaign is not without challenges. Despite aggressive messaging on good hygiene practice and key economic sectors like the taxi industry, enforcement is tricky. Our reporter Keadimilwe Moalusi and video journalist Zolani Alexander went to Rustenburg taxi rank, the biggest in the Northwest Province, and filed this report.
The outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic poses an imminent danger to the lives of these commuters. Although the taxi industry leaders understand what needs to be done to prevent the further infections, very few comply with the preventative measures the government has announced. This taxi rank transports commuters not only to other provinces in the country, but to other SADC countries such as Lesotho, Botswana and Mozambique. This local taxi goes to Mabiskral village, 90 kilometers from Rustenburg. All its 22 passengers are sanitized before they get on. The vehicle they will travel in was also sanitized beforehand, but commuters have mixed reactions about all this.
The government didn't tell us how to follow or give us the proper material for preventing this virus.
You can't just say when you come to a taxi you have to spray with sanitizer and everything. What about people from the back? They're not always here on the door.
So far, the government has done very little to assist with resources and enforce compliance, but the industry is committed to compliance.
We need to ensure that, our passengers, when they got into the taxis, their hands are sanitized so that when they send the money to the taxi a driver, at least there is that measure of, assurance that every precaution has been taken care of. So we are roping in Taxi Association as we're meeting with them to also respond into those things, ensure that each and every taxi, there is sanitizers, there are, hand gloves, there are masks.
This is one of the measures put in place by the Rustenburg long-distance taxi associations to try and curb the spread of coronavirus. They have introduced a cashless transaction method which eliminates possible infections from handling cash.
If a commuter is paying with less than 20 rand, the commuter will just tap like this. If the taxi fare is more than 200, the card will be put in like this, and it will take the money.
People are advised to wash their hands regularly, sanitize if possible, and keep a safe distance or stay at home. Keadimilwe Moalusi, SABC News, Rustenburg.